Igbos have suffered in this country called Nigeria. Now, Babangida have said the truth, exactly what happened in 1966. In 1966, Babangida have said the truth, exactly what happened. What is happening in this country called Nigeria? The same thing happened in NSAS protests. Some of the Yorubas in Lagos State, they say that Igbos are the cause of NSAS. What did Igbo do, you people? They say that Igbos, they are the cause of NSAS. They want to destroy Lagos. What happened in NSAS? That time in Legito Gate, when Nigerian soldiers slaughtered some of the youth, and the youth carry anger, burning some properties, some government property in Lagos. Do you know what they are saying? They say that Igbos are the cause of that. That Igbos are the people that are destroying Lagos. What did Igbo do, you people? Give them Biafra? No. Allow them to less? No. Now this protest where they do concerning hunger protest, hungry. Do you know that Igbos in Lagos say they will not come out to do protest? They will stay on their own, because if they come out, you go see some Yorubas will say that Igbos, they want to destroy Lagos. If Igbos in Lagos come out to do that protest, after everything, they will talk saying Igbo Kosam, Igbo Kosam, Igbo Kosam. Allow them to less? No. Give them Biafra? No. And if you are an Igbo man or woman and you are still thinking about one Nigeria, it's a very shameful thing to you. All this disgrace, insult, they are giving you insult, telling you, maltreating you as a slave, and they are still talking about one Nigeria. This is the reason we Igbos are talking about Biafra. This is the reason that Mazen Nankanu is stood up talking about Biafra, because we are not seeing one Nigeria here. If something happened, they will talk saying Igbo Kosam. The next thing they will do, they will start burning their property, their shops. The protests, what they want to do, this protest what they do in Nigeria, where some of the northern youth use Russian flag, that protest, Igbo talk say they no one do, they want to stay on their own. Because if Igbos come out to join that protest, after everything, Hausa and the Yoruba and the Fulani, they will talk saying Igbo, now them cause that protest. Because what they are saying that time is na Peter Obi. What they are saying that time is that Peter Obi is responsible for that protest. This last protest what they do in Nigeria. What did Igbo do, you people? Yorubas, Hausa, Fulani, what did Igbo do, you people? Give them Biafra? No. Allow them to less? No. Waiting. If Igbos drink water, problem. If they not drink water, problem. If they talk, problem. If they not talk, problem. And tomorrow, you will tell them they should not talk about Biafra. Tomorrow, you will telling them they should not talk about Biafra. You will be sending a jet fighter in Igbo land to stop them to talk about Biafra. Tomorrow, you will beat a child and you tell that child not to cry. It's not possible. Look at what look at it. The truth is coming out. But during that time, 1966, they carry everything. Innocent people will not do anything. Honest Igbo has said that Tinubu must apologize to Igbo with 10 trillion naira concerning what Babangida's talk. Because the truth has come out. But I have a message to Honest Igbo. Honest Igbo, 10 trillion naira will not bring back our brothers, millions of Igbos they slaughtered during the Biafran war. Honest Igbo, 10 trillion naira will not bring our brothers, our sisters that we lost in 1966. Honest Igbo, 10 trillion naira will not bring our brothers, our sisters that one Nigeria has slaughtered in Igbo land. Honest Igbo, 10 trillion naira will not bring them back. What we need is referendum. We Igbos, we are tired of one Nigeria. One Nigeria has slaughtered millions of Igbos. One Nigeria have destroyed Igbo land. One Nigeria has damaged Igbo land. We don't need one Nigeria anymore. What we need is referendum, peaceful. What we need is let British come and separate us the way we are before they came to colonize us and join us together as one Nigeria. One Nigeria has damaged, destroyed millions of Igbo. Ohanese Igbo, you people are talking about 10 trillion naira. Even when they will give you that money, tomorrow they will do the worst. They will continue doing the worst. Can't you people see what happened during the presidential election? Peter Obi won the election, but they don't want Peter Obi to become the president of Nigeria because of Peter Obi is an Igbo man. During the NSAS protest, what happened in Lekki Toll Gate when Nigerian soldiers slaughtered Nigerians and the Nigerian youths with anger then destroy some of the government property in Lagos? After everything, they talk so Igbo custom, Igbo do am, Igbo they destroy Lagos, Igbo want to destroy Lagos. That is what they talk. Everything, anything in Nigeria, they must talk against Igbos. If Igbos drink water, they must talk. If Igbos not drink water, they must talk. If Igbos talk, they must talk. If Igbo not talk, they must talk. The best thing is for us to do our own. Even the 5 states, we are okay from the 5 states. If other people say they will not go join us, let them do on their own way. Because Igbo survive without their oil. The Niger Delta that are talking, they are not the Biafra. I don't care. Igbo survive even without that oil waiting for their land. That oil waiting for their land, not the feed Igbos. We survive without oil money. As long as one Nigeria is concerned, as long as we are still in one Nigeria, they will still continue persecuting and maltreat Igbos in Nigeria. Mark my word, Ohanese and Igbo. 10 trillion naira is nothing. Even though if they give you 10 trillion naira, they will continue persecuting and maltreating Igbos in this country called Nigeria. The best solution is for them to give them referendum. Let Igbos separate. Let them do on their own way. Let them do on their own country. That is the best thing that you people on Igbo supposed to say it. I have spoken. This message is for the former governor of Enugu State and the Enugu State governor, Peter Mba, and the governor Ugwani. I'm sorry for using this word. Governor Ugwani and Peter Mba, two of you is a disgrace to Ndibo. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. What is happening in Enugu right now is like Fulani herdsmen. They have taken over Yamufi. Some part Yamufi they have taken over. And this is how many years now? When this Governor Ugwani, during the time when he was the governor of Enugu State, Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen, they have been slaughtering people. They want to conquer that place. They want to conquer some parts in a Yamufi village, Enugu State. And the Governor Ugwani couldn't do anything. He kept silent. He couldn't do anything. He couldn't stand up as a governor to pursue them out of Enugu State. He kept quiet because these people have a plan. Even this one, Governor Peter Mba, couldn't even do anything. Some villagers, some part in Yamufi, some people in that place, they have run away from their village. If you want to confirm, find anybody in Yamufi, ask that person what I'm telling you right now. They want to take over the village. And right now, there are some houses where some villagers live, run away. Now, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen, they have entered into the house, carry their zinc, come out. They are going to house, removing the zinc of people's house, so that they have conquered that place. And those people, they have removed their zinc. They are no longer in Enugu State. They have run away because of Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen. I'm telling you what is happening in Enugu State. And Governor Peter Mba and Governor Ugwani couldn't speak, stand up as a governor to condemn the evil that is happening in Enugu, to condemn the massacre of Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen. They couldn't do anything. They keep silent. It's a very, two of you is a disgrace to Ndibo. Now they have conquered for the Islamization of their plan, for the Islamization, for the conquer of Igbo. You people have sown a birthright because of money, and you people are keeping quiet. Why can't you speak? And Governor Peter Mba, you call yourself a Christian. Governor Ugwani, you call yourself a Christian. And the Islamization plan is going on in Enugu State. You keep quiet. You call yourself a Christian. You are a disgrace to the Enugu State. You are a disgrace to the Igbo land. You are a disgrace to Christianity. down, they have taken over. They have taken over. The villagers have run away. They have run away. They have taken over. You call yourself a governor. Do you imagine that Boko Haram have taken over a Yamufi village? Some part in Yamufi village. They have taken over. They have taken over that this place is our home, is our land. People in Yamufi is running away. And all the governors, Igbo land, all the pastors, Reverend Father Bishop, all of you know one talk. When I know one talk. When I know one condemn this thing that is happening right now. It will affect everybody in future. It will affect our children in future. It will affect our children in future. I'm not happy because Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen, they have taken over Enugu State for the Islamization. For conquer Igbo, they have taken over. Governor Ugwani, Governor Pitamba, they couldn't do anything. And Igbo they walk, the land of Igbo is on fire. The land that our ancestors leave to us. Our governors, they keep silent. Our enemies have been taking over the land. They have taken over the land for their evil agenda, for their evil plan against Igbo. The former governor of Enugu State, Governor Ugwani, and the governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, Igbo Turini West, ne Kenya Adriano Nuno, Ewa Wanobole, Manon Nabura Nuno, Ewa Wanobole. I'm not happy. I'm not happy for what I'm seeing happen in Enugu State. The land that our ancestors left to us. The Boko Haram, aka Fulani herdsmen, have been taking over Enugu State, Eamufi. And the Governor Ugwani couldn't do anything. As I'm talking to you, the Fulani Boko Haram have been conquered. They have been taking over the land. And the Governor Ugwani, in your own fellow, he couldn't do anything. So evil bego konomanya. So evil bego ilengana. It is even the same thing to Governor Peter Mba. You couldn't do anything. Now Fulani Boko Haram, they have taken over in some part in Yamufi. They have taken over, they have conquered. And you call yourself a governor. I said before that Governor Ugwani, Governor Peter Mba, you people are a disgrace to Enugu State. You people are a disgrace to Igbo. You people are a disgrace to Christianity. Because you people claim that you be Christians, but you people are not even practicing anything called Christianity. You call yourself a Christian governor. In order, Islamization to give Boko Haram land in Enugu State. And the people of Yamufi fighting to get their land back, and you, governor, couldn't support them. It's a very shameful thing to Governor Ugwani. It's a very shameful thing to Governor Peter Mba. You couldn't help the people to pursue them. You keep silent. As I'm talking to you right now, Boko Haram, they have conquered Enugu State. They have conquered some part in Yamufi, and the Governor Peter Mba couldn't do anything. Only what they are after is to that their strength to pursue IPOP, to pursue Biafra, to stop Biafra agitation. That is the only way they are working. That is the only way they will send jet fighter. That is the only way they will send Pythondas 1, Pythondas 2, sending soldiers. But when they come to Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, they will not do anything. They will keep silent. It's a very shameful thing to Governor of Enugu State. It's a very shameful thing to your people. Governor Hope Uzodimma. Governor Hope Uzodimma. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Hope Uzodimma. Why I'm here is because of the evil that is happening in the Imo State. Why I'm here is because of the innocent people that they are slaughtering in Imo State. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Hope Uzodimma, you hate the people of Imo State. You hate the people of Imo State. Because if you love the people of Imo State, how many times have you heard that the Bubago and the Tiger Base have slaughtered innocent youth? Go to Tiger Base cell. You will see some of the innocent Igbo youth. They have died. Innocent people, when they do anything. As long as you have passed 18 years, when they see you, they go carry you. They go talk say you be Biafra. They go talk say you be inside security network. They will persecuting you. And the families of those boys will be coming, begging the Bago and the Tiger Base, please. How much will I use to bear my son? My son is innocent. Madam, you go pay 1 million naira. Madam, you go pay 3 million naira. Madam, you go pay 500,000 naira. I'm telling you what is happening in Imo State. Our mama, Many parts in Imo State, also go to Imo State, you see what I'm telling you. The innocent youth, they will arrest them, tag them Biafra, tag them inside security. The mama go tell them, please, I don't have 3 million naira. The mama where the poor woman will not have money, he will start borrowing money to bail his son where they're innocent, where the security that purpose of them bring in Imo State, carry them. The innocent woman will borrow 600,000 to save the life of innocent boy. He will give the money. The security will receive the money. They will leave that child. And some people have died in that cell. Governor Hope Uzodinma, if you're a good governor, you're supposed to send people that will moving around, checking the work of this security are doing in Imo State, slaughtering innocent youth. If Biafra war have started, make una tell us. And you want me to keep quiet? Why will I keep quiet? When my people are dying every day. When some teachers in Igbo land, some governors, they are doing bad things, and they want to silence everybody. You want to use your political power to silence everybody. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. If you use political power to silence other people, I will use every power to speak. Purpose of them, what you are doing in Imo State is evil. Do the right thing. They are tagging innocent youth, Biafra, tagging them. The innocent youth are dying in tiger-based cell. And you are here rejoicing. Rejoicing where the Imo State people is on fire.